Third to Jim Myers. Congratulations. And at your convenience, you can stop at the announcer's booth to pick up your award.
American horsepower, that's what's in the air. I love the sound of that. That was my old class, small block. I got a little thing for this class, folks, so I might get a little nutty here real soon.
So we're going to wait for the official word, but unofficially, that this is as another of our sponsors here tonight. We say thank you to East Coast Diesel. Founded in 2005.
I didn't get to say it, but that was Mackenzie Thomas at a Lidditz, 1985 Chevy K20. I tell you what, that young lady knows how to wheel on square body pretty good. She walked that out of the hole just perfect. Dodge we call plumb crazy. He was leaning on that rev limit a little bit. Sounds like she's safe, but he went down the track. He's an old lady. The truck may look a little plain, but she knows how to get it done. Mid-track and got it down where he needs. Hopefully he's got enough. Yeah, I was trying to shut Jason down right there because it's just going to turn into slime with this rain. So hopefully they allowed him to take that back. That is not a fair.
Designed and machining and custom engine components. Located on Farmersville Road in Ephrata. Sounds like we got the green flag out there. Looks like we're ready to get started there. Go ahead, Tony, if you're there, go ahead and let them know who we got up front there. Back up and running with a small block class. That's Mr. Kim Freed out of Beaver Springs with his white frog town favorite Dodge Ram right there. The track came to pretty good. A little loose in that middle section. You heard them RPMs go up, but not. But he hung on to that clutch a long time. Whatever was left on that clutch is not there anymore. Very smooth transition, but with this track up here in Lebanon, the deeper we get into the night, the better this track always. Mr. Brandon Stumble.
Ford, the way a Ford engine is designed, you can get more RPMs out of a Ford for some reason, for that bottom end. And RPMs in a small block class means the world. He's pulling consistent. He is fourth in the points. You ain't got to win them all. You just got to be consistent, and that's what he is doing. That man makes me laugh every single time. His style of driving is not the norm of today's pulling where you ease it out of the hole, slip the clutch. He just gets that RPM up where he knows it makes power. Not a bad hook. He went for the light him up, scratch for traction. When she gets it, she gets it. And I don't know, he looks a little short, but we're about ready to find out. 1970 Chevy K20, our current points leader, pulled with this man for many years, and I tell you, he knows how to get it done. That's why he is the points leader. On the line, the tires had a little bit of slime on them, but as soon as they cleaned out, he made in, so hopefully he's got enough.
A distance for Jason at 300.
We don't worry about that rust. That was a heck of a run. He's got a power plant under the hood. The start of the track, the starting line up here is starting to go away a little bit. These guys are not getting a lot of traction here on the line. About that 100-foot mark on every truck, so he needs a good run to be in the money.
Yeah, fifth place is at 295.
Oh, he's up there. Let me tell you, that was a good hook. Got a little bit of dirt on that fancy paint job, but what a hook. We'll see if he can get a hold of this track here. The track is kind of going away a little bit for these trucks. We'll see if he can do it.
Got to beat 297.51 to get in the money.
Hey, not a bad hook right there with all that hopping. Hey, every hop takes about 5-10 foot off the pole, but he proved that to be false. Hey, he had that little hop off the line, he stood on it. I thought he was going to stop at that 100 foot. He's on the pile with that pull. He walked her out. He waited for her to smooth out, and he got into it just at the perfect, most opportune time. That was a beautiful hook. Hopefully he's got enough.
All right.